Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a quick unboxing of the new TWS earphones from Infinix under the different branding. It's called the Snokor branding, and we have the new earphones called iRocker. So TWS earphones from Infinix. So this is a brand from Infinix. So Infinix has announced a new audio brand. This is called the Snokor, and iRocker is the first device under the TWS earphones category. Now this is priced 1500 rupees, 1499 is the pricing. So let's see how good this is, and let's see what are the features it offers. So you can see here it says Bluetooth 5.0, then 300 mAh charging case, 400 mAh 2 earbuds battery, 6 driver unit, IPX4 sweat proof, and then button controls for calls and music. Then we have built-in Google Assistant, take-out connection. That means the moment you take out, it gets connected, comfort fit. So these are the features. You can see here super fast pairing and up to 20 hours of playback, and light, ultra light sports wear is what the company claims. So that's the one. So you can see here iRocker is the earphones name. So TWS Bluetooth earphones. So let's just unbox this. So opening up, you can see this is the earphones. So these are the Snokor branded earphones. So we'll just keep this and we'll see what else is there inside the box. So let's just take this. So you can see here warranty details and user manual is there. XC15, iRocker XC15 is the name. So you can see here power key, both have the power key, and mic and LED lighting is also included, and then all the other specifications are mentioned here. So you can also see that functions: power on, remove from the charging case, or long press on either earbuds. Then play music is press once, press either earbuds twice for next track, previous track, voice assistant, repeat calls. So these functions are included in this manual. Now you also get the micro USB charging cable. So this is not a USB type C, it's a micro USB charging cable, and you get two additional ear tips included. You can actually customize the ear tips on this. That's something unique because most of the earbuds or rather TWS do not offer that. It's like a fixed one, so you get additional ear tips here. So that's inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So let's open this. You can see here there's an LED light and the charging case. You can see this is the micro USB. That's definitely not the best option to have, but still it's more or less budget earphone. So that's the company claims. So now let's just open this. The case looks quite okay. It's quite a compact case. It's kind of a lengthier case though. Now let's open this. So these are the earphones. So let's just take this out. So you can see that as soon as I take it out, I will pair it with a smartphone. I have been paired. So you can see that we have the charging port option here, and the design looks quite different. In fact, you can see the ear tips are customizable. So that's the ear tips. You can actually remove them. That's definitely something which many do not have. And we have these buttons instead of touch options. These are buttons, so you can easily know whether you have touched or we have made a command instead of having the touch control. So again, something which is quite good. Now the build quality of the earphones looks good. It's a plastic build, but it's kind of matte finishing, so it looks pretty good. Now regarding the audio quality, we have been using these earphones for last couple of days, and what we felt was the company claims 2x bass performance. Bass isn't bad, but it's not very high actually, but still quite good. Now the vocals are in the best. We felt that it was kind of flattering a bit here and there. So the audio quality was kind of okay, I would say, not the best again, and the bass performance was quite good. Now one thing what we liked about the earphones is that the fit is pretty good, and what happens with the fit is that it covers all the ear actually, so that helps in kind of noise reduction. Outdoor noise gets filtered because of the design aspect. As such, there is no noise cancellation here, but then what happens is with that kind of design, it actually filters out the outdoor noise. So that's one thing good about these earphones. So these are kind of different design. Goose egg design is what the company claims for these earbuds. So overall we feel it's quite good in terms of the sound quality for the price segment. Again, don't expect too much on the sound aspect since it's more of a budget segment. The bass is kind of acceptable though. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Infinix or rather the Snokor iRocker TWS from Infinix, and these are priced 1499 and available on Flipkart. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.